Looking for the best DJI drone to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level? Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a professional filmmaker, DJI offers cutting-edge drones packed with smart features, stunning camera quality, and unmatched flight performance. In this video, we'll explore the top DJI drones to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's dive in. Number 5. DJI Air 2S Fly. The DJI Air 2S is the perfect drone for creators, travelers, and aerial photography enthusiasts who want professional quality footage in a compact, easy-to-fly package. With its powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Air 2S captures stunning 20 megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 30 FPS, delivering exceptional clarity, dynamic range, and vibrant colors in every shot. Equipped with advanced intelligent flight modes, the Air 2S makes capturing cinematic footage effortless. MasterShots automatically plans and executes complex shots, while Focus Track locks onto your subject with precision, whether you're tracking a person, vehicle, or object. Safety and stability are top priorities, with 4-way obstacle sensing, and APAS 4.0, allowing for smooth, intelligent navigation even in complex environments. With OCU Sync 3.0, you get a 12-kilometer transmission range, ensuring a stable, high-definition live feed for confident flying. The Air 2S is designed for extended flight sessions, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery. The Fly More combo includes extra batteries, ND filters, and a charging hub, so you can stay in the air longer and capture more stunning shots. Lightweight, powerful, and packed with smart features, the DJI Air 2S is the ultimate all-in-one drone. For anyone looking to elevate their aerial content, take your creativity to new heights. Experience the DJI Air 2S today. Number 4. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata 2 redefines first-person view, FPV, drone flying, offering an unparalleled blend of agility, immersive control, and superior image quality. Designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, this drone delivers an exhilarating flight experience coupled with advanced safety features. Equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, the Avata 2 captures 4K 60 FPS HDR videos with a 155-degree ultra-wide-angle field of view, ensuring breathtaking footage with rich detail and vibrant colors. The inclusion of 10-bit D-Log-M allows for enhanced dynamic range, providing greater flexibility in post-production. The integrated propeller guard design enhances safety, allowing the drone to navigate confidently through tight spaces. With 4-way obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, the Avata 2 intelligently avoids obstacles, ensuring a secure flight experience. Paired with the DJI Goggles 3 and the intuitive DJI RC Motion 3, the Avata 2 supports easy acro mode and intuitive motion control, providing an exhilarating, immersive flying experience. The DJI 04 video transmission system offers enhanced stability, delivering a high-definition, low-latency live feed, allowing pilots to fully immerse themselves in the flight experience. With a flight time of up to 23 minutes, the Avata 2 ensures ample opportunity to capture stunning aerial footage. The drone also features 46 GB of built-in storage, allowing pilots to save more flights for longer. Compact, powerful, and user-friendly, the DJI Avata 2 is the ultimate FPV drone for those seeking to push the boundaries of aerial creativity. Experience the thrill of flight. Discover the DJI Avata 2 today. Number 3. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is a groundbreaking addition to DJI's lineup, offering a unique blend of portability, performance, and user-friendly features tailored for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Flip boasts a distinctive folding mechanism where each arm, motor, propeller, and propeller guard seamlessly fold beneath the drone's body, resulting in a compact form factor ideal for travel and on-the-go adventures. This design not only enhances portability, but also ensures safety with integrated full-coverage propeller guards, allowing for worry-free flights in various environments. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Flip captures stunning 48 megapixel still photos and records 4K video at 60 frames per second. For social media enthusiasts, it offers 2.7K vertical video recording, ensuring content is optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Additionally, the drone supports 100 FPS slow-motion video in full HD 1080p, allowing creators to capture dynamic scenes with exceptional clarity. Designed with ease of use in mind, the DJI Flip supports multiple control methods, including palm control, mobile app control, voice commands, and traditional remote controller operation. Its palm takeoff feature enables quick launches without the need for additional equipment, making it perfect for spontaneous shooting sessions. The drone also features a forward-facing 3D infrared sensor for obstacle detection and auto-braking, enhancing flight safety. With a maximum flight time of approximately 31 minutes, the Flip ensures ample opportunity to capture diverse scenes on a single charge. The O4 video transmission system provides a stable connection with a range of up to 13 kilometers, delivering a clear 1080p live feed to the pilot. Number 2. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact and lightweight drone weighing approximately 135 grams. Designed for enthusiasts and content creators seeking a portable yet powerful aerial companion. Its sleek design and integrated full-coverage propeller guards make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor flights, ensuring safety and ease of use. Equipped with a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor, the Neo captures 12 megapixel photos and records 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant imagery. The drone's single-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with DJI's rock-steady and horizon-balancing stabilization technologies, ensures smooth footage even during dynamic maneuvers or in windy conditions. Up to Level 4. The Neo offers multiple control options to suit various user preferences. It supports palm takeoff and landing for quick deployment, can be operated via the DJI Fly app on a smartphone, and is compatible with traditional remote controllers for more precise navigation. Additionally, voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation, enhancing the user experience. For content creators, the Neo includes intelligent shooting modes such as quick shots, which automate complex aerial maneuvers to capture cinematic footage effortlessly. The drone also features AI-based subject tracking, ensuring that the subject remains in focus throughout the flight. With 22 GB of internal storage, users can store up to 40 minutes of 4K 30 FPS video or 55 minutes of 1080p 60 FPS footage, eliminating the need for external memory cards. Number 1. DJI Inspire 2. Drone. The DJI Inspire 2 is a professional-grade drone built for filmmakers, aerial photographers, and content creators who demand cinematic excellence. Combining power, speed, and intelligent features, the Inspire 2 sets a new standard in aerial cinematography. At its core, the Inspire 2 features a dual battery system, providing up to 27 minutes of flight time, ensuring uninterrupted shooting sessions. It boasts a top speed of 58 mph, 94 kph, making it one of the fastest professional drones available. The drone's self-heating battery technology allows for reliable operation even in cold conditions. The Inspire 2 supports DJI's ZenMuse cameras, including the ZenMuse X7, X5S, and X4S, offering raw 6K video recording for Hollywood-quality footage. With Cinema DNG and Apple ProRes support, filmmakers get maximum flexibility in post-production. The advanced image processing system records at 5.2K 30p and 4K 60p, ensuring stunning clarity and detail. For precision and safety, the Inspire 2 is equipped with dual IMUs, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a real-time FPV camera for seamless navigation and pilot control. The Spotlight Pro mode allows solo pilots to capture dynamic tracking shots effortlessly. With master-slave dual operator control, one pilot can focus on flying while the other controls the camera, enhancing creative possibilities. Whether you're shooting a feature film, commercial, or documentary, the DJI Inspire 2 delivers professional-grade results with unmatched reliability and performance.